Hey there, fellow plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of horticulture and exploring how to grow and propagate Boston ferns. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is a must-know for your green thumb. First things first, when planting a Boston fern, it's important to provide ample support. You can use a tomato cage or any other sturdy structure to keep your new friend upright. Now, let's talk about watering your fern. Keep it hydrated but not too wet. A good rule of thumb is to let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. When you do water it, make sure to remove any excess water from the pot's base afterwards. Fertilizing your fern is key to its growth and development. In spring and summer months, feed it once a month using a liquid fertilizer. This will help it grow faster and look lush and green. And finally, propagation. To create new plants from your Boston fern, gently remove the fern from its pot and cut the fern in half, making sure there is plenty of good, healthy roots to each half. Now plant each half in its own pot and cover with soil. Be sure the fern's soil is moist and water regularly, keeping it moist, but not overly. Soon enough, you'll have multiple plants to add some green charm to your space. That wraps up our guide on growing and propagating Boston ferns. Stay green, stay healthy, and happy growing. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more plant-tastic tips. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. and Mrs. C's Homestead.